Hey team, in this video, Tim Thomas here. I'm going to talk about the Eazy Money Postcard System. The Eazy Money Postcard Systems. This thing has been producing life-changing results. I'm going to show you some proof of what just came in and what's getting ready to come in and what we're doing, any bonuses we got to offer, folks. I'm telling you, this is going to be one of the most important videos. One of the most important. All of them are important, but it's going to be a very important video. You want to stay to the end of it. I've got some could be life-changing information for you. If you're looking for a work at home system, I got one, and we're going to show it to you all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Turn your speakers up. We are excited that we're producing life-changing results with this Eazy Money Postcard System. This thing is on a rip, a tear to the upside. And people are getting excited all over the country. People are joining in record numbers. Want to invite you to come along for it. Folks, that's what happens in these programs. You get in them and you talk about them and you promote them. You do it over and over and over and over again, folks. And the bottom will fall out in your life for you. It could be incredible as of what we are experiencing. Let me show you what has came in and what's getting ready to come in. We're going to talk about the postcard and how it works. Look at this, folks. Just 8 hours ago, from the time I'm recording this video, we received a $1,500 payment. Another one. And let me tell you what, there is, we got three more. I got three more payments for the yellow postcard confirmed for this week. I'm not going to even post proof of all of that. It becomes redundant. I might post proof of another one, but anyway, we've got three more confirmed payments this week, and we're just starting. This is incredible, folks. And it deposited right into PayPal. Not show a lot of the PayPal, but went straight into the PayPal account. Money's just flowing like a river. And we could not be more excited than what we've got going on if you can mail a postcard. Now, the Eazy Money Postcard System, folks, I've been talking about this postcard for about a year and a half now. And I have done, look, the yellow postcard says 10 days ago, I talked about this postcard and what it can do for you and your family. Folks, this thing, if you're looking for a business to join, I would join it today. I'm going to show you some bonuses that we've got to offer. If you mention this video, we'll give you a bonus. And the results are just astounding. When you get a chance, check out the YouTube channel. We've got several things. I keep it all, folks. I've got 2,500 of those postcards. Click the like button. Hit that like button, folks. I got 2,500 of the brand new I Keep It All postcards are coming. Timothy, are the programs still working? These programs are working phenomenally. You find one or two or three and you plug in and you go. And don't just go mail 25 postcards and say my dreams didn't come true. But you do it over and over and over and over and over and over again. Folks, a pattern will emerge. I'm talking about $5,000 weeks are possible. Income disclaimer. I got to throw that out there. In life, nothing happens until you take action. But if you can take action, remain consistent, the sky could literally be the limit as to what you can do. People are coming in. We're going to wrap up on I Keep It All. The $98 program exploding to the upside. We've got the $200 day flyer, I Keep It All, OCM programs, leverage profit system, folks. I got somebody interested in that. That could be coming in the next week or two. I'll keep you posted. Let me get to the Eazy Money postcard, but check out these things under playlists, guys, gals. Under playlists, you can click on my playlist. I've got the Eazy Money postcard in a playlist over here. Let me see. I got it somewhere. I created the playlist. Well, anyway, I'm not going to look for it, but it's in here. Let me see if I can stroll through playlist. The Eazy Money postcard. It's in my playlist, guys. I'm not, for the sake of the time of the video, I'm not going to look for it. But if you want me to get you the link, I can get you the link. Here it is, the full playlist. Here's the playlist of the Eazy Money Postcard System. I've got 17 videos of training, teaching, what mailing list I'm using for the Eazy Money 17 videos. Do you think it works, folks? I'm telling you what, I'm excited. I'm excited. What leads are you using, Timothy? Well, here you go. Link will be below the video. Wilson's List is my number one go-to source is Wilson's List. Paul Wilson, folks, has a great list down there in Florida. I am also using, what's the name of that list? Try to think of that name for a second. I am also using, Northco. I'm using Northco. If you want to use Northco, folks, I don't have the link for it, but I have a flyer that I can mail you for Northco. But great things are happening, and we want to invite you. This Eazy Money postcard system, folks, the way this thing works, you will be assigned an ID number. You saw this video, join ID number 179. 179, and that's the ID number to use. But this call, pause the video, dial that number. It explains the entire system. It talks about the product, the service, the value. The product, the service, the value. It has a product. We have reports. We give you leads. We give you postcards. We get you started the right way. We have a product, service, value. We host the number for the life of the call. Look at the value. What am I getting? You're getting postcards. You're getting leads. You're getting several mail reports. How to make thousands of dollars weekly in mail order. And all you do is implement this stuff. It's not learned in Harvard, Stanford, UNCG, all these accredited universities. They don't teach this stuff. But folks, if you can mail a postcard, remain consistent, let leverage work for you. Leverage wealth, folks. You can be wherever in life has you to be. And these systems can and will work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This postcard, while you're sleeping, can take up money for you. Income disclaimer, it ain't going to happen till you get it and mail it. And you remain consistent with it. Folks, this thing can change your life. $1,500 payment just came in today. 3 more coming this week, and I'll probably get some more phone calls later today. It's incredible. And this is just one business. Well, Timothy, you do a lot of videos. Why you do so many videos? Folks, do you want to make $5,000, $10,000 a week? It's possible. $5,000, $10,000 a month? It's possible. The sky's the limit, folks, as to what you want to do. You can make $100 a week. You can make $1,000 a week. You can make $500 a week. Or you can make $5,000 a week. It's up to you. And when you're in big ticket programs, you can scale to the moon. You start receiving these $1,000 payments over and over again, folks. What would that do for your marketing budget? What can it do for you and your family? Folks, if you're out there struggling on a job and looking for extra income, plug into a system that works. Scared money don't make money. Folks, you will never get to where you want to be in life. Well, I don't know if it'll work. Well, I've got my doubts, or I'm scared. Folks, if you keep that mentality, you can and will stay in the broke category. But when you show initiative, when you show a sense of urgency, when you take action, life rewards action takers. The universe will begin to bend to your will. Folks, hit that like button. All is well. Great things are happening. I'm getting text messages right now, people wanting to get into these programs. Work at home is just amazing. And it will only get better in years to come. Look at this postcard, folks. You're going to be assigned a postcard. We've got 2 sizes. You can get it in a 4x6 or a 5x7. Don said he'd never seen anything like it. Doctors are getting involved with it. Engineers, teachers, truck drivers, moms, dads, preachers, teachers, doctors are getting involved in this thing. Folks, it's exciting times. Get money daily for mailing this postcard. And folks, we just didn't drag this postcard out the woods. This thing's been around for over a year now. And it's still cranking. And we haven't even started as to where we're going with the Eazy Money postcard system. Look at this here, folks. Here are I got some bonuses for you if you're watching this video. Here's what I can do for you. I want to show that to you as to what I can do for you. If you see this video and you join, what I can do. Okay, the Eazy Money postcard system, the results are absolutely incredible. This system works fantastic. It's the most powerful program in mail order I have ever seen. has a fast-moving pay plan helping you to get thousands of dollars monthly. It's the fastest way I've ever seen, folks, to unlimited income. Anyone can do this program. It's extremely lucrative. You just get started. You have to get started today. You have to quit thinking about it. You have to do it now. Sense of urgency, folks. You got to have the sense of now is the time. Let me call and get this person's opinion. Let me call and get that person's opinion. And folks, you'll be hung up in life. You know, you're not making a $15,000 decision. You're making a few $100 decision, or $1,500 or $3,500. Folks, if you see this video and you call us, or at least leave us a message, within 48 hours of talking to us, we can upgrade you to $3,500. But wait before you call, because it's only a 48-hour window. We honor that. If you want to come in at 35, we can upgrade you to 75. We can upgrade you to $7,500. But wait before you call us, because the time starts when we get you off the phone. Make sure that's very important. Folks, if you're seeing this video, if you join at the $1,500 level, we're going to give you 1,000 buyer leads, Wilson's list, on pill and stick labels. We're going to give you 1,000 forever stamps. Folks, is this not exciting or what? You're going to get 1,000 postcards shipped directly to your home. Folks, this is the solution. Are you ready to experience the power of a done-for-you system? The coaches take all the sales. The way this thing works, folks, you get 100% of your commission. 100%. And it all balances out by the time we do the postcards and everything. It's an 80-20 split. You get 100% of yours, and we only keep 20% for the product fulfillment, taking all the phone calls and doing that. So it's an 80-20 split. You come in at $1,500, you get somebody to come in at $1,500, you're getting $1,100 sale. $400 goes to the company. $500, $400 goes to the company. $400 goes to you, the person. $400 goes to the company. It's an 80-20 split, folks. It's incredible. Are you ready? Are you ready? This program is working fantastic for me and others. Are you ready to experience the true power of mail order, folks? This thing is working fantastic. We'll see you at the top. Are you ready? You deserve, this is your time. This is your moment. You deserve it. You've been struggling long enough. Let the coaches close the calls for you, and you get paid. They'll call this number, guys, gals. Let me show you this. They'll call. Where's that thing at? They'll call the number on the postcard, and you get credit for the sale. I tell you what, I haven't been. Look at this here, folks. They'll call this number. They'll give us the ID, and we'll get them started. Folks, that's my time for today. Great things are happening. I want to get you signed up. Pause the video. Dial this number right now. Use ID number 179, or the person who referred you, whoever referred you to the program. If you don't have a sponsor, use 179. We'll get you off to the races. Well, folks, that's my time for this video. I am excited as we're launching work from home as we've never launched it before. Great things are happening, and the best is yet to come. I'll see you